Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert the box and chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a box and the chart. So just need to click on this option and just first select the value. Then just click on this arrow section and just change the home section to the insert option. Now just swipe down and you will see an option called chart. Click on this and just swipe to the bottom section below the histogram. You will see an option called box and whisker. Just click on this and you will have only one chart. Click on this, which it will be inserted. So now this realize it and just keep the chart on the page. Now you will see an option called layout. Click here and you can find a different type of layout. You can see there's a lot of option. You can just select any one of the option to change the layout. Now also you will see an option called colors. You can just change the colors if you just need it like this. Or if you just need a single color, you can choose the single color from this. And also if you just need to change the style, just click on this. You have a lot of different styles like this, and you can see a lot of styles. Choose any one of the style to make your Excel sheet perfect. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.